Okay, short video showing the parts to the large kill stand. Right here we have the bottom legs. There we have the dividers for the top piece. There's the spindle. There's the bottom ring and the two top rings. The top most ring has notches in it to show where the dividers go. Okay, here is a picture of the base loosely put together, and that's what you want to do. You want to start out by putting this shaft onto the bottom here with the bolts just snugged against the nut, just snugged against the bolt, just like that. With everything that you do here, you just want it stuck together loose. You can start out with these two pieces laying flat on the floor, and loosely insert the two bolts and nuts into it, and then you can flip it up and position it so you can get this third leg in, and then you can put these units right here in place. These are the pieces that sets the 120-degree angles correctly. And then put the ring on the outside, and then the single most important thing, then you take your anti-seize, they won't seize on you when you are, that looks kind of sloppy, but anyway, so that they won't seize when you tighten them with either a wrench or even an impact. I use an impact, and I can show you, but never attempt to tighten up a stainless steel bolt without using anti-seize, because it will not work. Because stainless steel does not dissipate heat. Showing the assembled base and the assembled top piece which holds the cones, and of course the tub. Bottom ring doesn't make any difference, at least on these current ones. It may make them simpler. This notch goes by the divider on the top ring. Assembly, the cones go on the inside and the outside. So these holes right here, you've got a set of 3 holes, a blank space, a set of 3 holes. The outer cones go in the end holes, such as here and here. The inside cone goes to the middle hole, like right there. The washers that's included with your kit go on the inside against the cone, and it'll be a 5/16 bolt, washer, and nut.